Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your profile picture from strangers in the Gmail application. So basically if you don't want strangers to see your profile pictures from your Gmail account. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to open the Gmail application. So tap on the icon to open the app. In the application, tap on the account icon in the top right corner, tap on manage your account, and here you need to find option called personal info and tap on it and then scroll down. Was it here or not here? Maybe not here. Was it in the people and sharing maybe? Yeah, it was in people and sharing, my bad. So you need to find the people and sharing, tap on it, and here we have this about me section. Tap on it and find the profile picture, open it. Here you can manage your profile picture for your account, but if you want to hide it from other people, from the strangers, you tap on the more options icon in the top right corner, then tap on profile picture visibility. And here you can choose who can see your profile pictures. And you have anyone or people that interact with you or you interact with. So select the option to the only people that you interact with are able to see your profile picture. Then tap on save. And now strangers won't be able to see your profile pictures from your Gmail account or profile picture. There's only one. Okay, and that's how you hide the Gmail profile picture from the strangers. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.